everybody. Guess what I'm playing? Welcome back to another video. Obviously I'm playing Roblox, but I'm not just playing Roblox, I'm playing this game, and it's called Cooked. Essentially, it's like Just to Impress, but you make the best dishes. And let me show you how it's done. Because I love this game, and I wish more people would play because it's genuinely amazing. But, if I sound bad, guys, just know I don't know what's happening, but I have sort of a sore throat, and I feel like I should just play this game. Just to play it. Ooh, I can join right now. Alright, I'll join. Why is, like, everything taken? Oh my gosh, I'm cooked! Like the name of the game. Play it on Roblox, guys. So vanilla ice cream. I mean, like, it doesn't have to be vanilla. It just has to be ice cream in a box. So we're gonna be cool. And we're gonna be chocolate ice cream. Oh, they have the chocolate banana though. Why did it say out of stock, but it's here? Wait, I can just grab it. Wait, why is it? Oh, maybe the host didn't put it in limited mode and they're just trying to cheese me. Get me to buy the thing without, oh shoot, wait, I did need strawberry ice cream. Okay. So, I need to find a cherry. Where? A cherry should be here somewhere. Because this is like the dessert area. There's no oh, it's right here. I'm just yapping to yap, I guess. That's fine. So I have an idea. As you can see, I'm pretty pro at this game, so I know what I'm doing. Dude, I can't. Oh gosh. I can't find the box. We might have to start. Okay, wait. I have an idea of how we're gonna make ends meet. First, we're gonna make this like super. This is like barely large. Alright, that's okay. They're playing like intense music. Oh my gosh, 14 seconds. Hold the phone. Would you guys eat this, be honest? It's like a cream soda, low-key. Like a cream soda. But even cooler, because it has a... Yo, please, bro, please. No, oh my gosh, I'm gonna... Yo, no. Oh my gosh, I'm cool. Yo, they're genuinely, like, not gonna vote. Never mind. What is that? Wait, maybe I'm gonna do fine. Okay. Wait, this is mine. Everyone liked that one. Like, that one's creative. So what is this? How do you do that? Also, I don't know why it's like this. I can't see anyone's thing. Oh, wait, it's like incognito mode or something. They added that. Incognito mode. But like usually you can just see what's happening. Maybe she because if you're the host, you can choose what you want to do. Now that we know which dishes you like, which dishes do you love? Obviously, you guys love mine. I only have like 14 seconds though, and like these guys like had like freaking like 5 or like 2 minutes, and they did not that great. I just got spaghetti. I mean, he followed the theme, I guess. I'll vote for that one. Yo, nah. I've already decided I'm just not gonna win, I guess. I already know what's coming up. I'm not gonna win at all. Whoa! Second place chef. Yo! Now for the first place. Oh, I think it's her. Yeah. Yo, wait, how'd I know that? I'm just like, wait, no, it's not her. That's like an ugly version of her. Oh, Dell wants me to update their computer. I'm sorry, Bill Gates. I'm not gonna. Oh, Bill Gates, you're on the files. Files. Earn more from rounds by playing with friends. Wait, stars? Oh, wait, this is like a freaking battle pass. Wait, that's awesome. Mystical. That's awesome. This game is just adding new stuff, and I've barely been keeping up, you know? I mean, it's a fun game. It's just like, you know, you got school and whatnot. You got school. I mean, at least I have school. Metal Foundation. I think I'm good. Ooh, Lottery. Wait, I have to join it. Wait, how do I do it? Did I talk to the... Oh. Wait, this guy opened the freaking bird cage? I guess, bro. Wait, I'm right here. Blueberry jelly. Mini... Bro, they genuinely want to kill it. Yo, let me guess. It's limited. It's limited food. Alright, let me push her out the way. Okay. Let's get the night jelly. Cream dollop. Wherever that. Oh, it's over by the breakfast. Yo, they probably already got it. It's probably genuinely out of stock. Wait, no. Oh, it's fine. Wait, he put non-limited mode, I guess. That's fine. Huh. I guess. Alright, let's think creatively. Blueberry, right? If you were blueberry, what would you have? Well, probably another fruit. Like raspberry? Or maybe I should shut up and I should just be banned off of YouTube and... Wait, there's a star. Hold on. And I'll use the sunset jelly. I think that's good, yo. I'm gonna cook. What's like a jelly like plate? This is like if I got served jelly on this, I'd be super happy. I wish though they added like a thing where you can rotate it on its side, because I had a good idea if it was rotated on the side, but it's okay. I have a better idea now that I'm given some limitations. But if you're like the freaking game developer and you're watching this, genuinely change it, please. Oh. Oh, that looks good, guys. I don't know about you, but I would eat the speaker. This is because I'm a very hungry person all the time. Okay, so when I said that I had an idea, I was lying. I'm not too sure. I don't think the blueberry is big enough. Or if it is big enough, it's just not showcasing its talent. I guess like you can say like the just was a recipe. You can say going blind by Conlado. I heard some comments saying that they want more civilization stuff. If you guys oh shoot, I have 20 seconds left. I was just taking things like, again, we don't need to do this though. So please, I'm not done. Oh my gosh. I'm tried. They're gonna grill me. Look at this. Nobody's liking it. I'll be supported to myself. There we go. Wait, he literally just copied it to the T. I could have just did that. I didn't have to put up with all this creative stuff. I could have just been a normie. Tisk. No, nobody's gonna vote for mine now. How can I compete? Oh my gosh. Oh, I forgot the cherry I picked up. Wait, no, I didn't pick up a cherry. Nah, wait, that was last round. Okay, chefs, now that we know which dishes you like, which dishes did you love? Well, like, I was gonna vote. Oh, you did have the speaker, but it's small. It's not even incorporated into your dish, but I'll like it for the effort. Um, ah, this one's good. This one's cool. It's like playing music from the inside. Yo, that's good. I don't know why, but the plate makes it look like kind of greenish. Okay, wait, that's good, low-key. That one was good. They're gonna flame me. I'm like not top free. Oh wait, that's mine. That's mine right there. My area. Yeah, it's not me. Wow. Wow, incredible work. Incredible work. I'm 8th place. Oh, that's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Sweet. It's okay. No. What was? They were all saying okay. They were all saying okay to that one streamer. I know I'm like bringing this up because I think it was like freaking 2 years ago. Oh, it was Dream. But it's like Dream's like a weirdo anyways. So nobody likes him. And that's why they're all making fun of him because I mean like your fan base has to be pretty weird if you do all those actions, I think. Okay. Sorry, I don't know what I'm talking about. Well, I do know what I'm talking about, but maybe I shouldn't be talking about it. How do I sign up for the lottery? Maybe just by playing I'm in the lottery or something. I don't know. Oh, wait. Does this give me money? Not gonna do it unless it doesn't give me money. Oh. As you can tell, like I'm a pro at this game, but like I'm a veteran. You know, I haven't touched this game in a while, so. But hopefully I'll do good this round, and hopefully I'll get an A+ in culinary 1. Who else is taking culinary? Let me know. Dude, this dude said yes. What will go perfect with lobster? Oh, a golden core. By the way, if you're the host, you can choose it. They chose yes, a golden core with a freaking lobster. Nobody does that, obviously. I'm not feeling the intensity that this game usually has. Like, the stuff is not limited, and I don't know whether that's like a blessing or just a curse. I mean, it sort of is a curse because my video is not as entertaining as it should be to you guys. So I have an idea. So we're gonna make this like super large, like it's in the picture. Whoa, that's big. I wanted to cover up the ink. Whoa, wait, dude, it's got like a. Or am I tweaking? I thought it had like an animation. Alright. Oh, we gotta hurry with this too because it's like, wait. I think I have a good thing. This? Nah. It's seafood. But I think this will look good. This will look good. Let's go with this on the top. Oh, I would genuinely like kill for some crab legs. I'm not even joking. I'm so hungry right now, in real life and in game. You know, hungry to win. Okay, there we go. What? Okay, so I thought I had an idea, but I obviously don't. What do I do with this stupid golden core? Do I just like not implement it? Can I make it like small? Or maybe I can't make it small. What if I make him holding it? So that looks ugly. What do I do with this? Dude, okay, as I said before, who like says yes? They just want to just the person who's the host wants to torture us, but at least they're not a monster and they don't do limited items. Okay, wait, this looks good. What if, yeah. Okay, so boom, would you guys eat this? It says like 90% death rate, but that's okay. You know, it's still got a probability to be tasteful. You know? Okay. There we go. That's like a 5-star meal and everyone would love it. I'm gonna see what they're ooh. I'm gonna see what everyone else is making. Wait, did they make it so you can't see what they're oh. Yeah, I'm good. Yeah, I'm good. Oh. Oh my gosh. That looks good. Wait, no. I don't know, we'll see. I don't yeah. You a cat? Yo. When I catch you outside, it's not gonna be good. Alright. I'm just gonna like all of them, because in the end it doesn't really matter. They just get like a little bit of extra money. Okay, so I'm not the only one who struggled. Look at my delicacy, bruh. That is beautiful. Okay, wait, I'm so tired of the incognito mode. Everyone's like ghost. I don't like it. Let's all just be ourselves. We don't have to be ghosts. We don't have to be invisible to the world. We'll just be visible. Ourselves. Oh, dang it. I was gonna send some hate her way. What do I choose? I want to vote for mine. Wait, did this I thought they just put a freaking apple there. Yo, you didn't even put like a freaking lobster. I like that. That's okay. It's okay. I understand. No, you're given the golden court. They did a good job, low-key. But they gave themselves like more space. Wait, this guy just built a lobster. He just built a lobster. Butter and lobster. That's a big stack of butter. Yes, very nice dish. I love food. Oh gosh. And it's not me. Awesome. Awesome. Yo, where did I place? Oh, 5th place. Wait, that's not that bad. That's not that bad. That's not that bad. Well, I think that's it for me too, guys. I'm gonna cut the video here. A nice solid 20 minutes. And ooh, some cash. Ooh, hey, what outro? There's some cash here. Oh, my should be pinned.